Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the problem the foam is overflowing from the detergent roll in BEKO washing machine. So if you see the problem with the foam overflowing from this detergent roll, that could be because of the too much detergent is used. So what you should do, mix 1 tablespoon softener and half liter of water and pour into the main wash compartment. The main wash compartment is the biggest one on the left side. And after that, just try to reset your cycle. You can also put the detergent into the machine, setable for the programs and maximum loads indicated in the program and consumption table in the manual. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.